In this short video, we'll be discussing compound sentences using conjunctive adverbials. What is a compound sentence? Compound sentence is a sentence comprised of two independent clauses. For example, the college students study a lot. In addition, they sleep very little. So we have a independent clause. The college students study a lot, and we have they sleep very little. So two independent clauses, in this case, connected by a conjunctive adverbial. What are conjunctive adverbials? They're words and phrases that connect independent clauses. Sometimes they're called adverbial conjunctions. And here are a couple examples. However, therefore, in addition, and on the other hand, are just four of the many conjunctive adverbials. Here's a list of some of the conjunctive adverbials with their meanings. You can pause the video and take a look at these to review them. Forming compound sentences with conjunctive adverbials is fairly easy. You just start by writing the first clause, adding a semicolon at the end of the first clause, the conjunctive adverbial, add a comma, write the second clause, and then a period. So for example, we have she studies for 4 hours every day. In addition, she exercises for 2. So we have the independent clause, we have the semicolon, we have our conjunctive adverbial in addition, followed by a comma, and then the second independent clause. So all of these conjunctive adverbials are punctuated in the same way. In addition, however, nevertheless, as a result, therefore. They all connect two independent clauses. Another way that we can form a compound sentence with a conjunctive adverbial is write the first clause, write a period instead of a semicolon, add the conjunctive adverbial, a comma after the conjunctive adverbial, write the second clause, and then another period. So if we look at the same sentences as earlier, punctuated in the new way, we have she studies for 4 hours every day, period, in addition, comma, she exercises for 2. So the meaning is the same, but instead of the semicolon, we've used a period between all of these clauses. So you can choose which way you want to punctuate, but these are the only two ways that you can punctuate conjunctive adverbials that are being used to create compound sentences. Some common errors to avoid: incorrect punctuation. Number 1, she studies every day, however, she does not like it. So remember, you need to have a semicolon after the first sentence, then your conjunctive adverbial, and then a comma. For the second one, we have she studies every day, comma, however, remember again, we need to have a semicolon, or you can use a period, then the conjunctive adverbial, and then you need another comma here. Another common error you want to make sure you avoid is misplacing the adverbial conjunction. You want to make sure that you have it between the two ideas. Okay, so we can't write a sentence like this. However, she studies every day, comma, she does not like it. We don't understand what the relationship is between these two independent clauses if we put the adverbial conjunction here. However, here we need to put it in between.